I'm just gonna call out Naeemo Muhammad Ali. So she has another surprise for all of you. So inshallah, let's see what she has in store for us.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. هورتا قيبت سبرايز عن برنامج كسميني أنت أنا لقد بين وحن ربا إن إذن حسوسيو كل أجندة واضحة هيستان إن برنامج قيبة دماتي قيبتي كلنا ويد منتهاي إن أنت بدن أنك سومالي ومن سيركل كوحن جعلنا هاي إن audience شرفنا أو إذن عاو دم فدين مركا عاو وينو وذا دبالدقينا وينو سواريسنا وينو وذا شوقينا سومالي ومن سيركل سيدي هوريل لوغا شيكيبا وحي سومرتي إن رنتي هالكم فربضن إن عاونا waxaan rabaa inaan maaragtay dadkii halkan ka nagala soo qayb galay qaar kamida aan maaragtay sharafno of course me again wa Swcn Ali oo maaragtay caawa barnaamijkii noo furtay oo kale waxaan aad iyo aad boqol ugu faraxsanahay not only inay noogu yar tahay laakiin in iyada oo wax kasto family-ga sanadkan ay ku mashquulsanayd hadana uu time ku saamaxay inay dhamaystirto her Bachelor of Psychology at Carleton University. I would like to call Fawzia on the stage and ask my friend Efrah to help me present. If you can move to the next slide of what we're presenting, Fawzia Ali, Bachelor of Arts, Psychology, Carleton University. That's a name engraved by your name on it. So as I know, the women who raised you, they got a doctoral degree. So you have a lot of writing to do. You guys can take a picture together. The next, which is my dear friend, Farhiya Al Abdi. I know you're surprised. Who cares? Farhiya, you know, it's like we're not much of a different in age. But anyways, one thing I admire Farhiya so much is she's a hard worker, a mother of two, who managed to not only work full-time, not only to be a good mother for her two children, but also managed to complete her master's, which I'm very proud of. A Master of Arts, Integrated Studies at Athabasca University. We're very proud and honored of Farhiya. I just want to add a little bit of her award. Farhiya, always when we're meeting, we have to hide the clock. If she looks at the clock and she has a schedule, she's gone. She won't even give you a time. So when we sit down in meetings, what we do is we turn clocks in the other way so Farhiya cannot look at it. That's why her award is a clock. So Farhiya, come. If Sharmarke, if you don't mind coming up. So come up the stage, if you don't mind. So
I am not just a prop, I promise you. Someone in here today, we want to recognize and acknowledge the wonderful work that's been done by a lot of people in the room today. And today we want to make sure that we emphasize the work that's been done by one unique person in our community who's been active for a number of years, and it took all of me to not break it to her this week. We spoke a few times, we've worked together. The person that we're awarding is someone who, mashallah, has been active, really active since 2011. I've had the pleasure of getting to know her for the last few years. I see her putting her head down. Certainly, it was really hard because if that's not a person, if you know anything about her, she's a worker bee, honestly. She's the one who works behind the scenes. She's a great leader, very inspirational for a lot of young women and men in our community. And mashallah, she's one of the co-founders of Awakening as well as the Somali Youth Mentoring Program. So Efrah, I know this was a surprise, but congratulations.
Well, it took a whole village to surprise Efrah, by the way. You're gonna kill me after.